If you want to apply for a cancellation on any service and host singer, so what you need to do is firstly go to Hostinger and log into your account. And then if you, based on what type of subscription or the account that you want to cancel, what you're going to do, click on your profile on your top right there and go to your billing. So if it's like a subscription issue, or you want to cancel a subscription, then go to your subscriptions here. So under subscriptions, you'll see your subscriptions here. So from here, select the one that you want to cancel. Like, select the little arrow next to the one and click on it, and you will see a cancel or unsubscribe option there. Click on it to unsubscribe and cancel it. And once that's done, if you need further help, what you can do, you can click on this chat agent here. Okay, and then here you can ask them to connect to a live agent or customer support to help them with any other issues that related to your refund. So you can start and just reach out to the customer support team and then chat with them for any other issues you have with your refund. So this is basically how you can get your or apply for your refund.